Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we pick up my cart stew and I got a privée and family. Is it correct? I got a privée and familial visa, so I'm very happy. Good for 1 year, but I can work now. So yes, I can go work. Let's go work. So I'm very happy to get this visa and I can go home.
Not more than 6 months. Or you
I
will
think
lose
that's
it.
the most happiest day of my life. I can
On
go
the years,
home.
on the years, 2021.
So yeah, let's go find me a job because I can work with this visa. So whoever want to give me some work, please contact me.
See you in Saint-Tropez.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to Saint-Tropez because they speak English because I do not speak French. So now I just go find the job in Saint-Tropez or I think Cannes. Some of them speak English and I can work in a villa as a maid. So yeah, see you guys later. Thank you for watching on the update of my visa, and I'm very happy right now, as you can see my face, because I can go home like soon. So yeah, I have to put back my mask. Marco. So today I'm gonna make a seafood paella. So I add the olive oil and salt and the squid that I chopped earlier. I will let it cook for 1 minute. And I will remove it from the pan and I will pre-cook the shrimp. And going to remove it again. I will add the onion, garlic, and the red bell pepper. I will cook this for 2 minutes. I will add the fresh tomato puree that I made because I cannot find the pureed tomato that I buy from the store, so I make the fresh tomato instead, which is actually very good. And I will add a little bit salt and the paprika, half teaspoon of paprika. Mix it all together. And I'm going to add the black pepper. And now I'm going to add back the squid that I cooked earlier. I'm going to add 2.5 cups of seafood stock that I boiled from the shrimp skin and the head. And now I'm adding the saffron. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup of paella rice. I will mix the rice together and let it simmer for 5 minutes, and I will add the clams. And also the mussel. I like it a lot of seafood, so that's why I'm adding more. And I'm going to add the shrimp that I pre-cooked earlier. And I will let it simmer for additional 5 to 8 more minutes. So when there's little bit broth left, I will turn the fire in a medium. So we're finished, and now I add some parsley. Nice. Are you enjoying it? Nice. Tara. Be careful, please. Tala. What's that? Nice. Yes. Be careful, don't climb. You might fall. Or hold on to the... Good girl, Margot. Yeah, you did not fall. Good girl. You are a big girl now.
Like that.
Yes.
Like that.
Yeah. Peekaboo. Yeah.
Look at Marco, he's stitching.
I know, she knows how to climb now. She's a big girl.
Good. I know Marco. I'm going to I'm here. Good. Marco, come on here. Come on, Marco, go. Let's slide.
Go, slide. Yay! Yes. Okay, so Samantha will pick the names for today's videos, and let's see who's the winner. I'm gonna shuffle it first. Okay. You need to open it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So the winner for today's video is Luffy Di Taro. Congratulations for winning 1,000 peso. Please message me on Instagram on how you will get this 1,000 pesos. So, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment so that you can still win 1,000 peso on my next upcoming video. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon again. Bye bye.